Hi, today I'll be discussing about why are the distributed computing systems gain popularity. Now, first of all, what is a distributed system? It is a collection of independent computers that appears like a single computer. In two different aspects, we can see the distributed system. In From the hardware aspect, the machines look like an autonomous, and from the software aspect, it makes a distributed system makes a user to think that system as a single computer. Then operating system, we know that operating system is a software that controls the resources of an entire system, and also it provides users with the interface more convenient to use. Next, distributed operating system. It's like an ordinarily centralized operating system but runs on a multiple machines. Many independent machines are connected. In that environment, it acts like a ordinarily centralized operating system, that is distributed operating system. And the reasons, there are various reasons of being more popular. First one is information sharing. That is one of a reason. That is, the information generated by one machine can be easily shared to the other users on the working at the different nodes of that network. And the next one is resource sharing. That is, resources that includes databases, softwares, and also the hardware resources. The resources available in one node in that network can be easily accessed by the other nodes. Databases can be accessed, can be shared by the other nodes, and similarly the hard disk of one machine can be shared by the other nodes. So this resource sharing is another reason for the popularity of a distributed system. And the next one is a better price performance ratio. Today in this in this digital world, the technology is developing rapidly. So the processing power is also rising. When a new machine comes into use, it will be the processing power of that new machine will be higher than the existing one. And we are also getting the devices in a lower price when compared to that when it was evolved. When the device come into use for the first time, its price will be higher, but later there will be a reduction in the price. And also it the performance of that machine will be more high. And for these reasons, this distributed systems becomes more popular. And another reason is a shorter response time and higher throughput. That is, um, response time is after submitting a request, it takes some time to solve that and gives a then we'll be getting the responses. So the time it takes to process the request and to produce a result uh, is measured. If that time becomes lower in case of a distributed system. So in this distributed system, we get the shorter responses time and the throughput is high. The number of process it works per unit of time is more. So for these reasons, uh, these add as a benefits for the distributed systems, so it becomes more popular. And also the overall performance, that distribute the load evenly to the multiple processes. Here we have the pool of process in case of a distributed system. So if a load is given to one processor, it is shared by, it will check for the other processor which is idle. The process will be shared and it gets the work done by that machine and the response will be received, so that the performance will be high. And the next reason is reliability. Reliability is tolerance against the errors. So if any problem arises, it should not the machine should not become unavailable. In a fraction of time, it prevents that loss of information. It becomes available the system becomes available. So the even normally so even in case of a software, the developers think about the normal possibility of errors, and if that error arises, how it is to be handled, everything is decided already. So similarly, um, it prevents the loss of information, so it guides the user in such a way, and it improves that error tolerance. So it gives a higher reliability. For this reason, this distributed system is more popular. And the next one is, it also allows, it is easy to add the features. In future, if a need arises, we can easily extend the features of these systems. So this is another reason. It is easier to add the new resources to an existing system. So this is another reason for its popularity. And the next one is a better flexibility in user needs. So different users may have different types of computers. So in such a case, it is more suitable for different types, even for different computations. So number of processors with a specialized processing capabilities are there. So it can easily solve the complex jobs with high performance processors. So this is another important reason for the popularity of a distributed systems. Thank you.